Hi my dear friends, my next myth on arthritis is the side effects of allopathic medicines. Many people imagine that allopathic drugs produce a lot of side effects and it's better to shift to homeopathy or Ayurvedic drugs. Again, this is wrong. Proper study is not done on any drug, then anyone can say this drug don't have side effects. There is no drug in this world without side effects. Every drug has a side effect. If there is no side effect, there is no effect. But that should be monitored properly. For example, in arthritis, everyone in the initial stages when the joints are severely inflamed, they need painkiller and steroid. But there is a lot of apprehension about steroid. People presume that steroid is harmful. No, definitely steroid is not harmful. There are various kinds of steroids. So steroids which are typically used for treatment by the doctors are not at all harmful. They are harmful if it is taken in excess doses for prolonged duration. So minimal dose of steroid with a painkiller should be taken in the initial stages. But if the same treatment is taken for years together, then that is harmful. So first 2 to 3 months it is not at all harmful and it should be taken because that is the only initial cure for arthritis. But later on there are other drugs like disease modifying anti-rheumatic drugs which have very slower effect. That should be started right from the day one. But when they take over the action, then these steroids and painkillers should be stopped. So if you are under the guidance, if you are treated by a properly qualified doctor, so friends, don't worry about the side effects. Just leave it to the doctor. Just don't imagine yourself, don't go to the net and see this drug has many side effects. There is side effects even while driving. Every day many people are dying while walking on the road, but still you drive. The same thing is here. There are side effects which are extremely rare. For example, taking painkiller will produce renal failure, but how many people had renal failure after taking painkiller? If the painkiller, if the NSAIDs are typically taken for a long duration, that is years together, then obviously there is a risk of renal failure. But taking for few months to 2 to 3 months will not harm you in any way. So you are properly monitored by your consultant doctor, whoever it is. So don't worry about the side effects and don't presume that allopathy is having side effect. Drugs which have side effects, other drugs don't, which is wrong. Other drugs, whereas alternative medicine is actually a crude form of medicine. I mean, the drugs are not properly extracted, not properly taken in a purified form. So they contain lot of impurities and lot of heavy metals. So they are more toxic and more harmful than these allopathic drugs. So don't be afraid of taking these medicines. If you have any doubts and if you have any questions to ask, please subscribe to my channel and post it on my Facebook page so that I can give you proper answers on various topics in health.